Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to disable your 4th gen Prius reverse beep with just this OBD2 scanner and your smartphone. Now normally there are ways to disable this reverse beep, such as messing with the odometer buttons and the trip buttons and just going through this whole long process, which I've tried that a couple times, and that appears to be only for the 3rd gen Toyota Prius. And this is not a 3rd gen, this is a 4th gen Prius. It's a 2021, so this video is meant specifically for 4th gens, but maybe it'll work with the earlier ones. I don't know, I don't own an earlier one. So the first step is to come down here and look under your dashboard, and you'll see this little white port that's right here. And this is where you want to take your OBD2 scanner, which the specific one will be linked in the description. Usually the tutorials don't link the OBD2 scanner, but the app that we're using is very picky when it comes to these scanners, so you're going to want the right one. Anyway, you just put the scanner in, push it in, and it should look like that. Next, you are going to want to turn on the car to, I believe, ignition, but do not have it be in ready mode. So you're going to go to this power button, press it once, and then press it again. And now all these will light up, and your car will be in ignition. The next thing you will want to do is to install this app, the Dr. Prius Dr. Hybrid app. My camera's not focusing, but you should get it. The image should be on the screen. Now you'll want to go to your phone's settings, click on Bluetooth, then scroll through, and in available devices you should see OBD2. There, in available devices you should see OBD2. You're going to want to tap that, maybe it'll connect, maybe it won't, but that doesn't matter too much, as long as your device knows that it's there. Next, you'll want to actually open your Dr. Prius app, go to Bluetooth OBD2, tap on the scanner, and it'll say, please wait while we connect to OBD2 device. So once it's connected, you should be seeing something like this little complicated screen showing things that have to do with your battery. It doesn't matter. So you're going to want to tap this little side panel with the 3 lines, go to special features, and then disable reverse beep. You'll want to check that to, it'll look like this. You'll want to check that to on. Once you've done all that, push down on your brake pedal and start your car. Just listen to that difference before and after. Before, you have all this annoying beeping, and then after, it beeps once and is then silent for the rest of the time. And another great part about using this OBD2 scanner is that it can be used for a lot more than just disabling your reverse beep. It is well worth the money. Whenever you have a check engine light or some other problem, you can just plug in the OBD2 scanner to the port, go on your phone, and then just scan the entire system to see exactly what the problem is. And that way, you'll be able to solve it much easier. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe if you feel like it. It really helps out a lot. And maybe leave a comment. I like reading comments. Anyway, that's all for now, so see you in the next video.